Hey there, savvy shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in online payment solutions. Today, we're diving into how to use Afterpay card online in 2025. If you're tired of waiting for paychecks or want to split your purchases into manageable payments, Afterpay is a game changer. By 2025, it's even more seamless with updated features like enhanced security and faster approvals. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Afterpay app downloaded on your phone or access it via their website. If you're new, sign up quickly. It's free and takes less than a minute. You'll need to verify your email and link a bank account or debit card for smooth transactions. Once you're logged in, add your Afterpay card to your digital wallet, like Apple Pay or Google Pay. This step is crucial for 2025's contactless world. Now, head to your favorite online store, think Amazon, Walmart, or any site that supports Afterpay. At checkout, look for the Afterpay option. Select it, and you'll be prompted to log in to your Afterpay account. Next, review your purchase details. Afterpay will show you a payment plan, usually splitting the cost into 4 interest-free installments. Double-check everything, then confirm the payment. You'll get an instant approval if you meet the criteria, like having a good payment history. One cool update for 2025 is the real-time spending limit alerts, which help you stay within budget. After confirming, you'll receive a confirmation email, and your order ships as normal. Finally, keep an eye on your Afterpay app for upcoming payments. Set reminders to avoid late fees. It's that simple. Using Afterpay online in 2025 means more flexibility and less financial stress. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.